Let's take a deeper look into how attachments work on the project wall. So if you were to create a post that included attachments, you simply type in your post and you drag and drop in one or multiple attachments right onto the post window, just like this. Or you can click Select Files to upload. It works the same way. And then you wait for all of the progress bars to finish here. This is indicating the upload status. And if you change your mind, you can delete one or multiple attachments by just clicking the trash can icon. And then you can change any of your settings here if you want, in terms of allowing downloads or requiring an approval or sending notifications, and then you hit post. You can do the same thing with a reply. You can type in a reply message and then drag and drop one or multiple attachments here as well and click reply. So as you can see here, you can upload a Word doc, a PDF, a PowerPoint, an Excel spreadsheet, a video. All of these become viewable in the Trackfront Attachments Viewer. And you can zoom in and out. And some nice options that you can do here as a user is you can change and disable the download. So even if it was checked as enabled, you can always disable it that way. You can download the file to your local computer if you need to, if somebody else uploaded it, for instance. And the really nice thing is people can begin collaborating on a document like this by adding comments. So you can simply click on here and say, I like this direction, and hit save. And now other people on the project can take a look at that and they can reply just like this. So a conversation can happen on this project comment wall. Now what's interesting is these posts and replies, one and or multiple ones, you can have as many comment conversations as you would like here, but they all appear on the project wall right here. And you'll be able to expand right here and see the same comments and replies out here. And the nice thing is you can always click on these things and it takes you right to it. Now if this was a multi-slide PDF, it works the exact same way. You can go to any slide in the presentation. You can add a comment here. You can add a different comment on a different page. And all of them show up down here on the wall as well. You can click on it right here and it'll take you to the right slide automatically and show you the comment. Just like that. Another thing you can do in the Attachments Viewer is to sort your messages by either page number or by timestamp. So that works for any image file, any document, PowerPoint, and so forth. Now let's take a look at an example with videos, because this is slightly different. Trackfront handles video attachments differently in the viewer. So you can click play to preview the video, and now somebody can make a comment at any point in the video. And then what you'll notice is the comment appears with a notation here on the timeline of the video. Now let's say down here you wanted to make a different comment. You can say change jacket to red and make a different comment right here. Now again, the comments show up over here as well as any replies. And you can sort it either by latest comment or by timecode in the video. If you wanted to sort it by the order of the comments in the timecode in the video, you could do it that way as well. So I'm going to pull up a different project just to show you a really cool feature of previewing videos. And that's this compare feature. So let's say we wanted to take a look at this particular video, but now we wanted to compare it to a previous version like V1. Now what's great is you can actually play these and compare them side by side. And you can change the volume and or the comments that are related to each video. In this particular instance, there was no comments made, but you can quickly see the difference in the two edits, and you can scroll through any one of these timelines and compare the two clips side by side. Really awesome feature here. Now, one last feature I wanted to show you was this share button functionality, and this is for videos, for any attachments. It's not just for videos as in this example. So if you wanted to share this particular video or asset or PDF or PowerPoint or whatever it is with anybody outside of Trackfront, they don't have to be a user, it could be other people within the organization. You just want to email them a link to it so they can view it, but they don't have access to Trackfront or need it. You basically go up here and click on share, and what you'll notice is here you'll generate a shareable link, and that URL will expire in 10 days. So this URL that will be provided here when you click on this thing, you can copy it. It'll be active for 10 days, and after that you'll have to generate another one. So if somebody was to type in that URL, they would get a link to this video file where they can preview it and view it as well and have a discussion about it outside of Trackfront. Now, they're not going to be able to comment or see people's comments. It's just another way for them to see this file.